My Tesla Model Y has been almost problem-free since I got it 3 years ago. Now it's done over 110,000 Ks, and there's a couple of little niggles. This is one of them. To find out exactly what's going on, we need to dive into Tesla's internal service mode to see the live diagnostics. Normally this is for professionals only. We can get access, gives us full details of what's going on with the fault. By navigating to the tyre pressure monitoring system tab, it reveals the individual status of our Bluetooth low energy sensors. Now these sensors are attached to the back of the normal valve, so it's half valve, half sensor. By the looks of things, 3 wheels are reporting healthy connectivity and a clear voltage, but sensor 0 on the front left is completely dead. The internal battery seems to have given up and it's no longer transmitting an ID for the unit or the voltage reading. It's a sealed unit. The batteries can't be replaced, so if there's a fault or a problem, the whole unit's going to need to be replaced. So let's see where we can find a replacement. First up, the Tesla Owner's Manual, which clearly states that using tyre sensors not approved by Tesla can cause system malfunctions. So next step, check the official Tesla online store for a genuine factory replacement, which we found out costs 120 Australian dollars. Made me wonder then, do we have to really stick to factory parts, or is there a viable option? So of course, a quick search of Amazon turned up an aftermarket Bluetooth BLE sensor explicitly listed as compatible with Tesla Model Y. It cost just $42.49 and included free overnight delivery. I decided to take the risk and find out myself. We've got our trusty mechanic Ed who's going to do the installation. We're not going to take it to Tesla. Question remains, will the Tesla system actually recognise and pair with a non-approved third-party sensor? Or have I just thrown away $42 and wasted Ed's time? Let's get down to the workshop and let's find out. Ed, good to see you again.
See you, Rosco.
Got a problem with the tyre sensor. Let's have a look at it.
Let's go for it. Looks better anyways, taking the tire off.
Yeah, it's probably... Yeah, but it's all fun. It's all experiment.
They virtually do.
Let's show that at the camera, yeah. There's the old one. I'll just get... Okay, so that one apparently has run out of battery. Faster than Formula One. Easy. While we're here... While we got up on the ramp, just checking tyres inside and outside. Yeah, that's already going off. Yeah, let's rotate. Put that on camera.
Oh, they're pretty.
Oh, it's incredible, isn't it? Let's put it down and let's just check front and back, right? Let's just check that the sensor's working, then we'll rotate them.
Yeah, if you want, yeah, we can whack that on now.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to have to drive it because we're going to have to reset.
That's what I mean. Yeah,
Yep.
pull it down if you don't mind.
Yep.
Let's just double check this one's working. Dog bowls, cat water bowls on your lifter.
Someone will.
They look like water bowls for a tyre.
Yeah.
We may not have fixed the tyre sensor problem completely, or we have the front one, but we managed to have created another problem on the rear one, we think. So this will cross-check and also rotate at the same time.
All right, it's time for a new pair then. Let's go.
Okay, bring out it's getting serious. It's new gloves.
I hate having to get in a car when you're dirty.
Yeah, when did rubber gloves start being a thing for mechanics, right? Like, since the YouTubers started to wear them?
Mate, these are the best.
I know, but when did they? So while we're here, we're going to rotate these tyres because we are getting some inside camber wear, which is typical for Tesla Model Ys. No problems here, but rear right, what do we see? Camber was 1.4, but let's rotate front to back while we're here and take advantage of this. Rear brakes while we're here. Perfect. If you didn't have a Model Y, what would you buy? I'd like the base Model Y, the one without the light bar across the front. And I'd like the cloth seats, and I don't mind. I don't care about the subwoofer. I like the lights at the front on the standard one. I don't need the speed. I don't need the power. I don't need the subwoofer. A quick check in the service mode again, and all 4 sensors working perfectly. Finally, we ended up changing all 4. Probably the best thing to do when one goes, they're probably all going to go. I'm Rosco, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.